Good morning student. Today we are going to first practical addition between two 8-bit number and aim is write a program to do addition between two 8-bit numbers. Two numbers are stored in 7030H and 7031H. Store the result in 7032H. This program is to do addition between two numbers. First, fetch the data from memory location 7030. For this, initialize HL pointer to 7030 location. With the help of this instruction, LXI H7030 and 7030 contain 06. 06 move to accumulator because in microprocessor any operation performed with accumulator and result stored in accumulator. That's why accumulator is the by default register. Right now 06 stored in accumulator. With the help of this instruction, move M to A. Previous slide, microprocessor pointed 7030 address. Then microprocessor incremented by 1 and 7031. Microprocessor pointed in 7031 with the help of INX H. Right now we have two data for addition 06 and 07. As I told you, microprocessor perform any operation with accumulator. So accumulator plus memory is equal to accumulator. Accumulator contains 06, memory has 07 and finally result 0D stored in accumulator. But in our program, result stored in 7032. So we have one instruction STA 7032. So 0D stored in memory location 7032. This is our output. This is our completed 8-bit program. Address starting from 7000. Mnemonics. Opcode is LXI. Opcode means the set of instruction we need our addition program, and this is the operand. This is hex code. Hex code is nothing but the opcode code. We'll provided you opcode sheet. See here, LXI H7030. This is the triple byte instruction. Triple byte instruction required 3 addressing mode. 7000 address is LXI H and opcode is 21. 7001 30 opcode, that is lower address byte. 7002 is 70 upper address byte. Next, move M to A. This is single byte instruction. Single byte instruction required only one address and move M to A. Opcode is 7E. Next, INX H. This is also single byte instruction. You can see here students, it required only one address and INX H opcode is 23. Next, add M. Again single byte instruction, opcode is 86 and it's required only one addressing mode. STA7032. This is triple byte instruction. It required 3 addressing mode 7006, 7007 and 7008. STA standard opcode is 32. Here 32 is the lower address byte and 70 is the upper address byte, and last RST1 and standard opcode is CF for stop program execution. Next is output. So before execution we get 7030 contains 06, second data is 07, and before execution 7032 has 00, but after execution 7032 contains 0D, and this is our output. So we completed addition between two 8-bit numbers. Let's start the performance of our first practical. First, I press reset. So internal process, internal data is all reset. Then I press accept for command. Then I press S for substitute. Again press CR. So microprocessor 8085 ready for memory. Again CR. Microprocessor asks the starting address. In our starting address is 7000. Then again press CR. So 7000 opcode is 21, it's correct. Again 7001 opcode is 30. Again 2 is 70. Next 7E. Again next 23. Next 86. Next 32. Again 32. Again 70, and finally CF and enter. Now we stored the program in microprocessor 8085 kit. Let's start again accept for input. Again microprocessor asks command, press X, substitute CR, microprocessor is ready. Again address. So this time microprocessor asks the input address. So our input address is 7030. First data is 06. Next data is 07. Again here this content of 00. So we stored the input and program. So now we execution process. Again accept G, CR. Microprocessor asks this time starting address of our program. So our starting address is 7000. Then enter. You can see here command. Command means your program is right. If here is wait, so your program is wrong. Now our program is right. So now check the output. Accept as CR. So address of the output is 7032 and output is 0D.